What's the meaning of astonishing? Astonishing. Astonishing.
Astonishing. Astonishing. The word astonishing means causing great surprise or amazement. When something is described as astonishing, it means that it is extraordinary, unexpected, or sensational. It can be used to describe things that are impressive, remarkable, or unbelievable in some way. For example, an astonishing performance might leave the audience speechless and in awe. Similarly, an astonishing discovery might revolutionize a field of study or challenge previously held beliefs. In essence, the use of the word astonishing conveys a sense of wonder and amazement at something truly exceptional.